Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna put makeup on this face with one brush and we're gonna get started. We are going to use Maskcara Beauty. This is a mini double-decker compact and it always has a mirror on the front and then room on the bottom. So we're gonna use a highlight, contour, blush, illuminator, and then on the bottom I have my bronzer just because it gets a little messy. So we're going to do all of that with the B squared brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. It's super quick, super soft, and it just gives really good buildable coverage depending on your preference. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Face is already primed, moisturized, whatever your routine is, go ahead and do that first. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into this one. This color, this shade is called Candlelit, and I'm just dabbing it in, and we're just going to go straight on the face. It's so soft, it's so smooth. And you can already tell that it looks like my skin. It's so beautiful on the skin. It's all cream makeup. I absolutely love this stuff. And a little bit goes a long ways. Look how beautiful that looks. You can see all redness and blotchiness. That looks so good. And so I just kind of stipple, swirl. This brush is so soft and so dense. It's made for cream makeup that if you swirl it, it actually blurs it out super nicely. And I like swirling it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the face with a highlight color. As you guys can tell, all that redness is gone. All even skin tone. So beautiful. Don't forget your eyelids. I always go on my eyelids. I have blue and red veins on my eyelids, so I always do that. And this makeup is actually a really good primer for your eyeshadow. So go ahead and use your highlight on your eyelid. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead, use the small tip again, and we're going and pinch it. We're gonna squeeze it just like this, and we're gonna go ahead and dip it into our contour color. The contour I'm using is Astoria, and so we're just gonna pinch it, same brush, swirl it in there. And we're just gonna find, I don't have anything on my face, but you can see the shadow. And we're just gonna go right underneath that jawbone. There's a jawbone right there. And just kind of emphasize that shadow a little bit. Keep your brush pinched. And I'm just gonna go just a little ways down. You don't wanna go farther than your pupil on your eye. But I just like to give a little definition. I used to go all the way down, and I just like to do a little bit. So we're gonna go right here and always brush upward. You never want to bring your contour too far down. It just kind of makes your face look longer than what it actually is. Alright, and then dip it just one touch back into the highlight. Alright, so then now, same brush, we're going to dip into our blush. And one of my favorite blushes is this one right here. It's called Hollywood. And then we're just going to do the apples of our cheeks and kind of blend it in with our contour. ahead and do the other side. Okay, now we got contour and blush on. So we're gonna go ahead and flip the compact over to our Bella bronzer, and we're gonna go ahead and do the fluffy side of the B-square brush, and we're just gonna swirl it in our Bella bronzer. Get a little bit on there, and then this is very buildable. It goes on super light, and I'm just gonna use Bella bronzer, and we're just gonna do a sun kiss glow on the forehead, the cheeks, as if we got a little bit of sun. Alright, so now if you want to clean up your bronzer, you can go ahead and flip your brush over, dip it into your highlight just a little bit, and kind of clean up the edges. We want to bring it down. I like to bring it down, chisel out, contour a little more. And as you guys can tell, the focus is all brought to my eyes. All the dimension is brought to the center of my face. And now the best part is you're gonna use your perfector sponge, and we're gonna blend everything and get rid of all the lines. You're gonna use the perfector sponge. It's actually the softest beauty sponge that I have ever felt in my life. It's so amazing. We're just gonna blend everything seamlessly together. Alright, 2 more steps left. The second to last step is we're going to use our blush for our lip color. It has the tiniest bit of a gold shimmer in our Hollywood. So gorgeous. I love mixing colors. You can use any blush on your lips, and I love mixing them. Just to make it extra fun, we're also going to use, this is our illuminator. We're going to use this on the face, and it always applies really well. This illuminator is Pearl. We're going to put it on the high points of our cheeks. Sorry, I really like illuminator, as you can tell. And then I like to put it on my brow bone, my Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my nose, and we'll go ahead and blend that in a little bit. And there you go. So you can put your blush on your lips, your illuminator, wherever you want to put your illuminator. So I did everything with this brush. This is the B-squared brush. It's called the Blush Bronzer brush, but I love it for my highlight, my contour, my blush, my illuminator, my bronzer. I love it for everything. And this compact is the mini double decker with also my perfector sponge. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. You can go ahead and add your setting powders and your favorite eyeshadows, do your brows however you want. This is a face look that's so easy. You can go out the door very quick. You can just do it in the car, drop your kids off at school while you're waiting in line. You can pull up, do your makeup in like 2 minutes, and you guys will be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see more on these makeup videos. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you soon.